In this video, I will be sharing a quick guide how to fix the connection failed issue in Modern Warfare 3 Call of Duty for Xbox Series 1 and Xbox Series X. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is restart the console. Power off, unplug for 30 seconds and then restart. Clear the cache, hold the power button for 10 seconds until it's fully shut down. Then restart it. Check the network. Go to the settings, go to the networks, and then further go to the network settings. And then test your network. Make sure that you test your connection and your connection is up to date and it's running. Then port forwarding. Ensure ports 3074 for Xbox Live are open on your router. Use wired connection. For a more stable connection, you can use LAN. Update game and console. Ensure both are the latest software versions. And if the issue still persists, what you have to do is to reinstall the game. So reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 for a fresh install. These steps should help resolve most connectivity issues. If you still face the issue, what you guys can do is to connect the customer support and they will guide you how to get the issue fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.